So that's it, it's done, it's ready for 2023. The MG Midget has left the garage, and while others are only just putting their car in the garage for the 2023 upgrades, you know who you are, we're done, we're out, we're testing, and we're out for a test drive to test the 2023 upgrades. Let's have a look what we've got. This car now then is not so much birth of a race car, but race car version 2. The big change, of course, being the elimination of the fiberglass flip front end, and now we've got 2 metal front wings put back on. We've got a metal front end, and we've got a fiberglass bonnet on the front. The only other change to the front end is that we've changed the front springs, so now the car sits on 500-pound front springs rather than 400-pound front springs, lowering it about ½ an inch. Under the bonnet then, not too many changes at all. The lump that was powering it last year, a 1330 balanced bottom end, flowed head, performed extremely well and is retained for next year. You may remember the alternator gave out in the final event at Castle Combe last year, so that's been replaced by this little lightweight unit here with a custom made bracket to get that to fit. On this side, we're keeping the K&N air filters. We have to keep the standard 1.25" carburetors, but that's all connected with a Maniflow inlet manifold and a Maniflow exhaust. Other little upgrades are still included here, such as the engine strut, the oil catch tank, and of course, who would be without the remote clutch bleed pipe on one of these things. The biggest changes though to this car this year are at the rear. This year we've gone for lower springs, lowering the back of the car around 1 inch to 1.5 inches. We've gone for uprated axles, characterised by that nut in the middle of the wheel. To complement that, we've gone for a lower differential, so putting in a 4.55 rather than a 4.2, hoping for better acceleration. And we've gone for different rubber. So on the back now, we've got the Yokohama A539 tyres rather than the Unirile tyres before. And the goal here is to reduce the oversteer that we were getting, so hopefully making the car able to go around corners just that little bit quicker. Interior, very much the same for this year. We've still got the Sparco Sprint 5 seats that perform so well and fit so well in a Midget. We've been able to remove a couple of the carpets based on the new regulations, but other than that, it's very much a standard interior. Underneath the rear, the fuel tank is now in the boot, and you can just about make out now we have anti-tramp bars on the back of the car to complement the Panhard rod. So a set of upgrades this year designed to reduce the oversteer on the car, helping to go around corners quicker, getting those extra few seconds in the corners, and also to be quicker off the line to get some acceleration in those short, sharp courses. Only thing to do then is to go for a drive. If only I had a hill around here. So with testing complete, we're nearly ready for that first event, which is going to be at Cadwell Park, a new circuit. But before we get to Cadwell Park, what I could really do with is a track to really run this thing in. So let's see which one we're going to select. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.